Welcome, real estate investors. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you go through this and as you listen, hopefully you'll stay through the whole thing. Hopefully this will bring you some value and good content and you learn. If you will, smash that like button and subscribe. So today I'm going to mention the 5 reasons why real estate investors fail. 5 reasons why real estate investors fail. And I know this very well because I went through all 5 of them, or most of them, when it comes to this. So number one, and this is no particular order. It's just that these are the things that I found out and I actually went through when I failed in real estate. All right. So the first one I want to talk about is lack of research. Lack of research in the deal was what cost me big time. I didn't know what I was getting into. I should have did some more research. For example, one of the mistakes I made was when I bought the property, I bought it at too high of a price. So when I say lack of research, that's what I mean. Like, you need to know these deals. You need to know what you're buying, the cost of it, what it is to repair, what the value of it is at the time you're buying it, and what it will be later, the after repaired value, the ARV. You need to know those things. So that was one of the mistakes that I made in my real estate investing career. All right. Number 2, which is really, really big, right? The number 2 mistake which real estate investors make is this: not having any mentorship. You don't realize how much it takes or how beneficial it could be to have somebody that's a reputable mentor that's actually in real estate investing or has done it, that can help you out and guide you, that you can talk to, that you can bounce ideas off of, that you can ask questions to. It's really important to have a mentorship. Guys, you're talking thousands of dollars when you're dealing with these real estate deals, right? Hundreds of thousands of dollars in some cases, okay? So I learned later on that it's really, really important to have a mentor because there's too much at risk not to. You know, the value of it is good when you're doing good, but the risk involved by not having it, you can lose thousands of dollars. And trust me, I've been there before. You don't want to get to that point. All right. So another another reason that was hurt me in my real estate investing career, one of the things that helps or hurts new investors is this: buying a property in a bad location. Buying a property in a bad location is it could cripple you in your real estate investing career, right? So if you buy a property, for example, near a cemetery or railroad tracks, right? That's a bad location, right? What do you want? You want good locations like near school districts or in a good school district, near schools, not too far or not too close to highways because that's too much noise, right? But you want to be able to have access to the highways nearby. So those are the couple of mistakes that I know I've made. I bought a house near a railroad track. It did okay. It could have been better, but that's what happened with me, is that I bought one in a bad location. So that's what I've learned too. So that's what I was telling you. And again, I bought one near a railroad track and I almost bought one near a cemetery. Bad locations. All right. What's another real estate mistake that new real estate investors make? Failing to plan. This is critical as well. Failing to plan will really hurt you. So I know when I get into the deals at the very beginning, sometimes I was doing flips, but sometimes you got to realize a good deal could be something where you do a buy and hold strategy, right? Because the numbers make sense. But when you don't know what to do, that can really frustrate you, and that could really put you in a position to where it could really devastate you financially. So having a plan when you're getting into real estate and what your strategy is going to be is very crucial. What is that saying? If you don't plan to fail, you fail to plan by default. So don't get in that position. And the last one, that was number 4. So number 5 is quitting. Too many people give up. You cannot give up on your hopes and dreams. I know for me personally, I have a passion for real estate investing. So for me to continue on wasn't a problem, and having laser focus and being consistent. Those things are critical when it comes to real estate investing. Look, I've had my times when I flopped and I failed, but one thing I didn't do is I didn't quit. I didn't quit, and that's why I'm being able to be successful today, because the simple fact that I didn't quit. I could have easily quit. I went through those hardships before too, but you got to learn that when it gets tough, you just got to get tougher. All right. So those are the 5 reasons why new real estate investors fail. I brought those to your attention. Hopefully this brought you value and good content. And again, if you will, smash that like button and subscribe. Also, join my YouTube channel, EY, the real estate investor, and watch me on there. I got good free content on my TikTok videos. All right. See you in the next video.